Hello BIM learners, welcome to bimmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, we're going to see this option. Have you tried creating like these 6 faces shapes in Revit and constrain them parametrically like a valve and any other families that you have? You can see that there are 4 phases of this in this place, and you can go ahead and see a different phase of the walls. If you have created this wall family, you will know the complexity of this, and we're going to see that option. How do we create that, and in the Revit itself. And before that, we are from bimmodeler.com. We create Revit families for manufacturers and AAC consultant. It could be architecture or engineering firms who needs Revit families. We create it for them, their project. We support them along the way. We also work with manufacturer, as I said. Do let me know in the contact page if you need any family. Do let us know in the mail also if it is needed. With that, see that have you tried this option, sweep option in Revit? That there is an option for trajectory. If you untick this option in sweep, I have created a sweep. You can see that there is a path and there is a profile also. You can see that it's there. You can see that both are there. So when you have a sweep object, and if it is used by the curved object, you'll have this option, trajectory segmentation, not just a circle. You'll have it in the segmented for the curved object. So when you select this option, you'll be able to apply the parameters as the maximum segment value. Based on this value, you'll get the phases. For example, if I say 40, it'll have a different phase, number of phases. If I say 1 degree, it'll have a number of segments like these. So this will help us. It shows the segmented phase, and it's there. If you are familiar with the modeling, mesh modeling software, you may be aware of this, and there is a segment in everywhere. You can control this also by changing the degree like this. You will be able to find it. The example shows in Autodesk itself. You can use it for the fitting, duct fitting. You can see that factored phase, that number of phase will be there. If you are creating the duct fittings, it will there. You can use it for that as well. But for me, it is very useful that when you are creating the wall family, it's very difficult to constrain the polygonal phase when you have them constrain the angle and everything, and you wanted to make it parametric. It's very difficult. You can check in your channel, and I will also link that video. We have did a video about how to constrain the polygonal phase, and I will link that, and do check that if you wanted to do it from the scratch. But when you wanted to use the sweep option, the same sweep option is here. You can see a circle, and you can see that the shape that you needed as the path, and you can have them and assign the values. If you apply 60, you will get the shape that you needed for the wall that you have, and like these faces. And once you have that, you will be able to control. If it is needed, you can control the degree also. If it is a less or high number of faces, or if you wanted to increase the diameter of this circle or reduce the diameter of the wall, when you are doing the parametric families, you can easily change this value in parameter, and you will be able to control the diameter of overall diameter of the wall. So this is very useful option for me to do parametric families. Do let me know if this video is helpful to you, and if you know this option newly. And this is asked by one of our colleague from our team, how we can use this. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment. We will be able to answer you that with that different tutorial. And do let me know if you need any services, BIM services. We will be able to give you that services from our team. With that, see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye. And don't forget to share it with your learning friends. Sharing is caring. See you.